Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back here in my channel SP Leo. Friends, today in this video I'm sharing one of stunning and eye-catching collection of different comfortable flat and loafers with you people with all possible details which you are here to see against each and every pair. Beautiful design and very comfortable type of these shoes are according to your choice, and these are in fashion, and these all are fashion high quality shoes which you can use for your casual wear and formal wear also, and different type of sneakers you will find here which are best for walk and running. One of very beautiful collection you are watching here. This is one of the collection which is perfectly fit for all age group people, so please keep in touch with this video till end so that you come to know about all these designs and styles and beautiful colors. Such type of sneakers are best for workout and running and for walk also. This is one of the video which is perfect for all and helpful for all those people who are interested to start a business of such type of shoes and sneakers, because you see that prices are mentioned against each and every pair, and according to the range of this also, where you find that for example this one you are looking here, that if you will order 1200 pairs for yourself, then the price is accordingly lowers down, and see over here also 100 to 299. Then there is one price range, and if you are ordering above 300 to 600 order, accordingly the price will come down. So this is the best opportunity for yourself to take start of the business, and if you are interested to buy any one pair out of this collection, or you want to take start of the business, then just go to description box of this video where you will find the link of that site through which you can order one of the pair for yourself. And friends, if you are interested to know anything else about this particular collection, then just go to comment section and you can ask whatever you want to inquire related to this collection. If you like this video, please thumbs up for it, and share it with your friends and family members, so maximum people come to know about this particular opportunity and they can take benefit out of this particular offer. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe SPLEO channel for more such kind of very beautiful, updated and informative type of collections of footwears and dress designing also. And as far as this collection is concerned, if you want to take start of the business, some of the things I can share here, that the new designs and new material are provided as your requirement. And if you want to order some of your design, mean to say that if you have your design in your mind and you want to start the business according to that, then you send those designs as a sample or picture for idea, and then the team will do work on that, and then they will make the sample and they will send you back that picture. If you will approve, then accordingly you can launch the order for this particular from this particular collection. So I hope that you will find this one of attractive collection very helpful for yourself, where you slip on sandals and different type of lace up styles also mentioned here, and these are shown here. Some of the sneakers are with adjustable straps also. Easy to put on and take off. One of the best collection of these sneakers you are enjoying here. Breathable style and slip resistant sole. Similarly, you see that double sole is one of the beauty of such type of sneakers and shoes, where you find that if anybody want to increase some inches in their height, so this is one of the helpful collection for their self. Similarly, these are so stylish that if you want to add some extra style in your personality, so this is one of the helpful collection for yourself. So please keep in touch with this video channel for more such kind of informative videos where you find all details and different type of designs and even business ideas too. All of these are lightweighted, so easy for walk also. I hope that you love to see this collection. So please let me know about this collection through comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.